Hey everyone, so guys, today guys, I'm going to be opening this Sainsbury's Habitat thing. I don't know what this is, guys. It's a mystery. Well, so guys, I'm going to be opening it because everybody else right now, my little sister's getting Play-Doh and she'll probably help me. But yeah, let's get started, guys. First thing I'm going to be doing is these are all fasteners. These are fingers. There it guys, I can handle this. I'm really ready. Here it is guys, so this is called a T-Full Ice Crush Chip large plastic jar for 3 capsule handles. There's one blender. So I'm going to be opening this up, guys, today, and we're going to be seeing how it is, and then somebody comes in and tests it. So yeah, this is kind of hard. Okay guys, let's take off. A second. Okay, that's it. Open it. First thing is this phone. Oh, here it is. This is a little caption. I'm not using it. This is the blender place. Wow, okay. I was just talking to my eye. Oh my god. Yeah, this is something. Hey guys. That's it, guys. What the heck is that? Wow. I'm gonna get something up storage. This is it, guys. I can't just see. That's today, isn't it? There we go. So this is a blender. Babies. This is a blender. Oh, babies. So this is, I don't like that, guys. I'm gonna set this to 0. So yeah, I'm gonna replay it. Nobody cares. It looks blue, but it's turquoise. Here. This is the blender. I'm with guys. So I'm gonna go out the ground and just send the fish. Okay, guys. That's all I'm gonna do, guys. If you guys like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in another video. Hey everyone, it's Adam. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to be making a strawberry milkshake with this T-Full Fortnite Daily blender. I've got here some ingredients to make it. I've got milk, it's sugar and milk, just in case we need more milk, a lot more. And I've also got some bananas. Bubbies and ice. Okay, now we're going to be making it. I've got the blender over here. It's because it's too, the wire's too short, so that's why I'm going to hear in a second, please. First, we're going to be doing this. The next thing we're going to be doing is first of all adding in our ingredients. First of all, you want to add in your main fruits, which is going to be bananas and strawberries. So that's what we're going to do. And send our bananas. Now we're going to mix it, which is going to be do you guys think we should make some more? Now we're going to be adding sugar. Just sugar. No sugar. Wait, guys, can you I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an easy strawberry and banana milkshake for my little sister Zara. So here's a blender, guys, and that we're going to be using. This is a new one. This is called the T-Full blender, and you can see how good it is. So far, guys, we've added in here some strawberries, banana, sugar, and yeah. Now, guys, to make it even more nutritious, we're going to add ice. Guys, look at the thing. The strawberries and ice. Yeah, that's it. So now we're just taking it off and we're going to blend it up. too big for us.
And we have so me and Anna and our grandpa.
Yeah, cooperating to make this today.
And we'll give some to the red.
Well guys, let us taste it. That's the main part of it. And it's Could use the strawberry and bananas and sugar and milk.
Shaked.
Really good. I think guys, this is a really good blender. You guys should go buy it. You guys want to
Here's a milkshake.
Some milkshakes. Maybe it was